हेलो वेलकम बैक टू दक्ष एडवेंचर गाइस। मैं जा रहा हूँ आज एक स्पेशल एडवेंचर पे। मैं जा रहा हूँ बैड बॉय ड्रिफ्ट्स फॉर अ मास्टर क्लास इन ड्रिफ्टिंग विच वाज माय बकेट लिस्ट आइटम। और वैसे तो बड़ी बकचोदियाँ करी हमने गाड़ियों से इधर उधर स्केडे मार के, बट प्रोफेशनल ड्रिफ्टिंग कभी नहीं करी और आज पहली बार करने जा रहा हूँ। तो ये लोग काफ़ी अलग तरीके से ऑपरेट करते हैं। इनका खुद का ट्रैक है, इन्होंने खुद की गाड़ी बना रखी है और मतलब इनका ट्रेनर भी है हु इज़ अ प्रोफेशनल ड्रिफ्टर हु पार्टिसिपेट्स इन इवेंट्स। सो इट्स अ प्रिटी लेजिट डील एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड आपको बाकी दिखाते हैं। हाँ जी तो पहुंच गया ऑलमोस्ट हम बैड बॉय ड्रिफ्ट्स पे। थोड़ी सी ऑफ रोडिंग भी होगी हमारी एंड ये रहा हमारा ट्रैक विच लुक्स क्रेजी और कुछ अलग ही लग रहा है यार। मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, तो स्टे ट्यून्ड, आज मज़ा आने वाला है। सो गाइज आ चुका हूँ मैं बैड बॉय ड्रिफ्ट्स एंड इट्स अ गुड डे फॉर ड्रिफ्टिंग। मेरे पीछे देख सकते हो आप कुछ क्रेजी कार्स खड़ी हैं, सम ऑफ द कार्स दैट दे हैव बिल्ट एंड ये ट्रैक है हमारा एंड यू कैन सी व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन टुडे। सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी बिहाइंड द व्हील, looking forward to it.
If it's raining and kind of lets go a little, you have an E-class.
हाँ,
So even your 320 dues,
हाँ.
maybe it might let go a lot.
right.
So that you have
when
to.
you hear that sound and you feel your steering wheel get light, your instinct is to control it.
हाँ,
But
वो
if
नहीं
this is
करना है।
exact opposite, you want it to be light and control it at the same time.
अच्छा
You know what I mean?
So
I
your
get
instinct
it.
is usually when you're going and it kicks out, you
Right.
want to straighten it out and be like, okay, now I'm in control.
Right.
But your entire point over here today is to drift.
To drift, so you have
So
to keep that
And you have
angle.
to hold it. Okay, yeah, keep it, then
Counter sir.
and उसके बाद पूरा just try to like be the car, bro.
Right.
Think that your front two hands are the front two wheels, your
Yes.
rear legs are the rear this thing. Think
Yep.
where your engine is, etc.
Yep.
And like just try to feel it from your back. The seat will tell you exactly what
Yeah,
the car
exactly.
wants
Yeah.
to do.
Like you're leaning.
The
Okay.
steering will
Exactly
also
like
tell
you're
you.
leaning.
Right.
Because when you turn right, when you're going to do a donut, you're
Yep.
turning right.
Yep.
You keep going. Now when you initiate with the power,
Yep.
your ass is going to come
Exactly.
out.
Come out.
The
Yep.
rear is going to come out. So the tires also have to go in that. Have you seen
Direct.
cars?
Yeah.
Turn
I
right
get it.
to go left.
Left, right,
The
right.
entire this thing
Exactly.
is
It's
similar.
like you're running on ice.
हाँ, समझ गया.
So when your
आपकी
bump
drift-
goes out, you have to run this way.
आपकी
Right.
ड्रिफ्ट throttle pedal से कंट्रोल होगी,
समझ गया.
not your steering.
Not just steering.
Steering will control where you are on the track, how you're drifting. That's
Right.
about it.
Like
समझ
your
गया.
angle of attack or your distance away from the barrel or something.
Right, right,
Your throttle
right.
will control your speed and your bump moving basically.
Got it.
At the road.
अच्छा.
So we'll first start with donuts with you.
ठीक है.
So donuts में basically you're comfortable with manual and everything, right? Yeah. So we basically drive around the track and we look at the drum.
अच्छा.
Then we drive around 1000 to 2000, 1500 to 2000 RPM. And then when I say full throttle,
हाँ.
drive it around on the road.
Achha.
Don't drive it too fast in a small space.
ठीक है.
Okay, just get comfortable with how the car is. Stopping the car, turning the car. Go straight over there. Stop the car.
drive around that drum in a clockwise, on a clockwise line.
ठीक है.
I'll see your line and I'll tell you from there. Okay. I'll tell you each step, every step, and after every attempt you do,
Yep.
I will tell you what happened in that. I'll debrief you, and
ठीक
so
है.
that you know what happened and what you have to do next. So now we'll drive around this drum. So make sure the distance between you and the drum remains the same throughout the circuit. Can you see the drum?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. When I say go, I want you to give full throttle, and once you give full throttle, the RPMs will start building up. When the RPMs are building up, I want you to start counter steering and staying on throttle.
ठीक है.
And at all times, you must only look at the drum.
ठीक है.
Okay? Are you ready?
Yep.
Wait for my go. Look at the drum. Go. Okay. So when I say go, I want you to give full gas. Right
ठीक है.
now, what you did was you give throttle slowly.
हाँ.
Okay. When I say go, full,
Full gas.
And you were not on a stable RPM. Your RPM was dropping down.
अच्छा ठीक है.
When we wanted to go. When
Okay.
I said ready, I want you to stay on stable RPM and stay ready.
ठीक है.
Okay. Let's go again. The drum needs to be visible
It is.
throughout the circle. Because if you don't start on the correct line, you'll end up incorrect. You ready?
Yep.
Go. We'll do it again.
समझ गया.
Wheel speed पीछे की हमारी enough नहीं है.
Got it.
Let's do it again. You have to turn right before only. When I say right, turn right.
ठीक है.
ये white line.
Second round पे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, वो तो हो रहा है.
हाँ, first is happening, but the second you have
Second
to turn
में
right.
turn right and then वो ठीक है.
You lifted off a little.
Little too much.
हाँ. वो you didn't let the slide initiate. आपने पहले ही lift off कर
हाँ
दिया.
ठीक है ठीक है. So Mudit bhai, just want to check what all goes in building a drift car. So this is also C200
This is the C200 compressor.
compressor.
I'll just turn off the car.
Yeah,
So this is a C200 compressor,
right.
and this is a 1.8 supercharged manual.
Manual, right.
We have done bunch of mods to the car.
ठीक है.
A pulley upgrade, downpipe. We also did this,
ठीक है.
and a filter, a tune.
Right.
That's pretty much the engine side.
Yep.
Then we have done a lot of weight reduction to the car.
Right.
We have stripped the rear of the car, the carpets. There's tons of weight over there to get the power to weight ratio better.
Right.
We have removed everything, and this has race seats. Otherwise, it had electric seats in the car. So
Obviously.
we
Yep.
have reduced around 200 kgs from the car,
अच्छा.
which makes a significant difference
Right.
in how the car performs.
ठीक है.
Plus, to the suspension, we have coilovers. We have an angle kit on this,
Right.
and couple other mods: steering, a hydraulic handbrake,
Right.
and
Welded diff, I guess.
welded differential, of course.
हाँ, वो तो.
That's the basic.
And आगे भी like to the control arms are they custom for
These
the
are
angle?
custom control arms. This is
Angle
custom
kit?
angle kit.
Angle kit.
And we have some other steering mods also in the car.
ठीक है.
We have the anti-roll bar deleted. That really helps with the
Balance.
front end of the car. And otherwise, you're driving the car. Tell
हाँ.
me what you think. What do you think of the cars?
No, and for a beginner, I guess nothing like this platform
Yeah,
because
this platform is pretty good.
Pretty
very
good.
Reliable.
हाँ.
It's cheap, so you can buy it and you get plenty of these. And if you break something, you can fix it because there are
tons of parts
available.
as well.
And like good aftermarket support and like good spares.
How
It's better with additional mods.
Yeah.
But for seat time, welded diff, coilovers, seats, that
Right.
is what I would recommend to get started.
What gets जो अभी because you have been using these cars rough and tough, so what are the pain points kind of a thing?
So when you buy these cars, these are quite old cars.
हाँ.
So a couple of things which we do with the cars is a lot of preventive maintenance. So
Right.
we know what things break on the car,
हाँ.
like all the old coolant pipes,
हाँ.
all the so we change the coolant pumps,
Right.
power steering pump, all of that
Right.
to make sure they run well, and we keep like servicing them and stuff. very often.
Engine wise, they are pretty
They're
solid.
Pretty solid. These
Pretty
are very
solid.
strong motors,
हाँ.
and they work pretty well if you know if you take care of them.
They go
run
pretty
great.
well,
They're
right.
bulletproof. Like that car over there has trained 150 students, bro. So
Oh wow. I think it is a pretty decent learning curve, but I'll get there. I'll get there for sure.
it takes time. It's quite.
How long have you been
I've
in?
been into motorsports for a long time. I started doing autocross, time attack, and everything.
Acha.
Built a lot of cars, drag, this, that,
Hmm.
and there was one thing which was left, which was drifting.
Drifting.
So I went abroad, tried my hands on it.
Acha.
It was a lot of fun. So I was like, I want to do it back home here in the
हाँ.
country.
Right.
There was no platform, nothing, and so I bought a car. That was the car I bought. I
Acha.
bought it sight unseen. The car was non-runner,
अच्छा.
and while I was there, and I got here, built that car a bit. Didn't have any place to drive, so I hosted my first event
Okay.
so that I can drift.
सही है.
Here. And since then, we've been doing more events. We've prepared, like we've been running the school.
Right.
We have a shop. We have built around 25-30 cars now,
Nice.
and we have trained
जो
bunch of
एक वो है
students.
आपकी Maruti 800 Drift, that's your car?
That's not our. Harsh has built it.
Acha.
It.
अच्छा.
I don't know the owner of the car, but like
Acha.
these guys have built it.
Acha.
They've built some very cool projects.
हाँ
with
हाँ
Swift
हाँ.
also.
Right, right, right.
I have also done a lot of work with them earlier.
Acha.
Before, like when I was doing autocross and
Right.
stuff, they've supported me a lot.
But the best thing I like, the community is so strong. मतलब सब everybody is helping each other.
Exactly.
And getting drifting into India was long due. So it's fun that this is possible and this is happening. So वो बहुत important है. So
It's
बढ़िया
crazy.
है.
We have just been trying to promote the culture in the
हाँ,
country, and
हाँ.
it's crazy to see. Since we have started, there have been like a lot of drift cars in the community. There are
100%.
every event you see, there's drifting happening. So
Right.
it's great to see like people.
कीड़ा है यार एक बारी it's a
getting into
full
it,
addiction.
loving it, and here we have people coming every weekend,
Right.
every evening,
Practicing.
chilling, practicing, like learning.
वो
having
ज़रूरी
fun.
है सही
So,
है.
yeah.
That's it. No, सब लोग साथ में आते हैं मस्ती करते हैं
That's
and
the
then
fun, that is the
bonding
passion
over
brings
cars.
everyone together.
Exactly.
So, and
बढ़िया.
it's a small community. Bro.
True, true,
fun
true.
community.
It's a fun community. चलो बढ़िया scene.
Done. Let's get back to the
Let's get back.
training
Let's
session
get back.
and, you're doing donuts fairly well now.
हाँ.
It's getting there. Just some more practice and you'll be there. We'll do figure of eights.
Right.
Once you're comfortable with it.
ठीक है sorted है चलो.
Then just hurt me till I can get my satisfaction. Then just hurt me till I can get my satisfaction. Hit me and then just hurt me till I can get my satisfaction. Satisfaction. Satisfaction, satisfaction, satisfaction.
So guys, this was my first drifting experience. Hope you liked it. अभी बहुत practice चाहिए, अभी बहुत कुछ सीखना है. But it was one of a lifetime experience. So stay tuned and see you in the next one.